Hello, hi, how are you? So today we are going to do some pH related question. What is the pH of 0.0660 molar of lithium hydroxide? So first of all, we need to know what is lithium hydroxide. Lithium hydroxide is a base, right? It is a base. So when we hydrolyze lithium hydroxide, we are going to get cation, which is lithium, and anion, which is hydroxide. Okay, so we can see there will be production of a OH minus, which is hydroxide. Okay, so you can see here there is formation of OH minus. So when we hydrolyze a substance and they increase the OH minus concentration, then that is called as base. Okay, so now because this is a strong base, right? If we have 0.0660 molar of lithium hydroxide, all of the quantity or the concentration of lithium hydroxide is going to separate, or it's going to hydrolyze into lithium cation and hydroxide. So if you have 0.0660 of lithium hydroxide, you're going to produce 0.0660 molar of lithium cation and also 0.0660 molar of hydroxide. Okay, some of my students they might get confused. Okay, isn't 0. Isn't these two supposed to give the when we add these two numbers it's supposed to give this one? But no, that's not how it works. So basically, let me give you an analogy here, okay? Let's say we have Oreo biscuit, okay? Okay, let's say we have an Oreo biscuit, right? A cookie. Okay, so let's say you have one cookie. When you separate the top and the bottom cookie, you have what? One top and one bottom, right? Let's say you have five of the cookies, right? You have five. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you separate five Oreo cookies, you will get five of the top piece and five of the bottom piece, right? So because of that, just because you can see how when they combine they form one Oreo cookie. Okay, just like that, this lithium hydroxide is composed of what? Lithium cation and hydroxide anion. Yes? So when we separate one lithium hydroxide, we will produce one lithium cation and one hydroxide anion. Okay, now we know that we have this much of hydroxide. So from the hydroxide concentration, which is 0.0660 molar, we get that the concentration of the hydroxide. Yes. Now from there we can find what? From there we can find the POH. Now what is POH? POH is equals to negative log of OH minus, which is the hydroxide concentration. So in this case, it is what? Negative log of 0.0660 molar. So I want you to try to find out how much that's gonna give you. Okay, so open your calculator, put a negative log of 0.066. So from there, you're gonna get equals to 1.18. Okay, now let's count our sig fig. We have three sig fig here, okay? 1, 2, 3. So we have 1.18 POH. But the question not asking us about the pOH, is it? It's asking the pH. So pH is gonna be 14 minus pOH. So in this case, 14 minus 1.18, and that's gonna give you 12.81. Okay, so that is the pH of lithium hydroxide having concentration of 0.0660. Thank you. Bye bye.